Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Wendy, and in this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can share our referral link to share this amazing opportunity with everybody that we can. So basically, once you go to the login page, you put your username or your email, and then you put your password and click on the blue bar that says login, and then you're going to see this page. So some people on the right corner here on the top get something that says profile. You can either click on that one, or you can click on this little blue logo on the top left of the page. So I'm going to click on this one, and then you get your name and username here, and you click on it. And basically, you're going to see now this blue bar at the bottom on the left that says referral here, and it says invite a friend. If I put my mouse on top of it, then it changes to, so you can see your referral code. So if you click on it, you're going to get this message that says link copiato nella clipboard. It means link copied to clipboard. And so once you click on it, you just basically need to go wherever you want to send it. If you want to send it through a text message, through WhatsApp, Telegram, or even your email, all you have to do is go and paste it and send it. And that's it. It's pretty easy. So see you in our next tutorial.